Hello, my name is Nick. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. As you know, on this channel I record videos about entrepreneurship, about starting your online business, and about different online ventures that you can apply for yourself. And if you find this content interesting, click the button below to subscribe and let me know if you like this type of content, and just let's get into it. So today's topic is introduction to affiliate marketing. Now, as you know, on this channel I don't teach you strategies that are short term or are some kind of schemes or some kind of push button make money or some like gambling. You know, you see all these ads on Instagram, people selling you stuff that doesn't work or just works only today. On this channel I discuss the fundamentals, the principles of marketing and laws of marketing, and I give you different working business models that you can start. So let's just review what affiliate marketing is. So we have marketing. Marketing is promotion of products or services, and also includes advertising and researches. And now what affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is promotion of other people's products. So you don't have to create a product, you promote existing products. So the company creates the products and you promote them if you are an affiliate for that company. And now if you are a company, you're the owner and you have affiliates that get you sales. And when you're an affiliate, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to sell proven products, because proven means it was demonstrated that it sells and it brings actual value and people find it beneficial. So the coolest thing about affiliate marketing is that it's absolutely free. I know there are some programs that you need to apply for that are paid, but it's not our case. I recommend most of the programs that are basically, I'm gonna give you a list of offers that you can promote at the end of this video, so stick around. Now companies have affiliate programs and you can sign up for that program and you can pick one of their products if they have many and you promote them. And why are they doing this? Is because they need new clients. They need new clients and they need more clients. And I'm gonna show you a chart of their costs. And here, as you can see, a company to sell a product, they have all these costs. So the product cost itself is somewhat really low for most of the products, and the price, like the retail price, is made up of the product cost itself, the marketing costs, the office or team costs, like you need to pay your employees, and then there are different fees that companies pay to just do their activity and do their business. So it is very beneficial for them to have affiliates, because they are cutting out their marketing costs. So for example, a company sells a product for $100 and their revenue is $100, but they are having all these expenses, and in order to cut these expenses, they hire affiliates. And if we're looking at this chart here, they're spending, for this particular product, they're spending 42% on marketing. Now they can hire affiliates and give them up to 42%, and they're gonna keep the same profit, the same, because all this chart is the cost that they have. So they're gonna keep the same profit, but you're gonna take care of promoting their product. So it's a win-win situation, and you win and the owner gets new clients and you get paid for this. So how this works for affiliate marketers: you need to pick a product. It can be a physical product, it can be software as a service. If you remember, in the previous videos we talked about software as a service. And then it can be info product. So a software as a service is, for example, hosting or a website builder. or different resources that or tools that people use online. Info products can be courses, or can be ebooks, or videos that teach you something. And then you take that product and you don't sell it as it is, because I explained earlier in the previous videos how an offer is different than a product. So you need to take the product from the supplier, and then you make it your own offer. And how you make it your own offer, you need to add value to it. For example, you are selling software as a service offers. So you're selling, for example, a website builder. So a good value to be added to that product would be you teaching people how to use that website builder. So you got a new client to the software as a service company, and the client is using their software, but your value is that you're teaching him. So it's good for him to go through your links and to buy the product through you. Now there's a lot of affiliate marketing benefits, and this is a really beginner-friendly method and a beginner-friendly model of online business, because you don't need to create your own product. For example, in e-commerce, you need to, if you're doing branded e-commerce, you need to create your own product. So it takes a lot of knowledge, skills, and experience to create that product and then to test it. But you can start with affiliate marketing, promote other people's products. So after this, you don't need to deal with support. You don't need to provide customer care, customer experience. You don't need to improve it, because the supplier takes care of this. You just bring in the client to the author. So and because of this, you don't necessarily have any upfront cost, because you can use free methods that we're gonna talk about a little bit later in the video. So and another beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can promote recurring offers. Recurring offers means you do the work once, you brought the client to the software as a service, for example, and they pay you up month after month for bringing in the client. And you can create stacks of these commissions, and you just do the work once, and then you get paid every month, like huge amounts of, and you can create a full-time income from this. Then there are thousands of offers to promote. It's not like there's one single offer and everybody's competing for this, and there's one single supplier. There are many suppliers and there are many offers, and it's not so competitive. And now there's high commissions. High commissions can be up to 60 to 70%, as I've seen, but most of them are about 30 to 50 for recurring commissions especially. And this is really good, because you're getting, for example, somebody to an offer that costs $50 per month, and you're getting paid 50% of it or 60% of it. This is just amazing, in my opinion. And then there's zero risk involved, because you don't put any money in. You just need to put time. That's the only thing you're doing here. Like, the only risk is you're risking your time. And now, how you should not promote it. Many people who just are getting started in affiliate marketing are thinking, this is easy, I'm just gonna spam everyone and send everywhere messages with my links, and they're gonna buy, and I'm gonna make a commission. But it's not gonna work like that. You're gonna make a better reputation, and then every software out there will know you're a spammer. And then you can even change your IPs or anything like this, but it's not long term. We're thinking long term here. So you shouldn't call other people to buy your offer, and you shouldn't send emails. Like, people buy entire lists of emails, like hundreds of thousands, and they just blast out an email and they make zero sales, because that's not how affiliate marketing works. And then other people create groups or pages, and then they're asking people to buy their stuff, but you need to bring value to the table. Not only give that product to the audience, you need to get that product, make it an offer, add value to it, and find the right audience to sell it to. Then now how you should promote it. You can promote it using blogging. That's one that I do as well. Then you can create content on social medias. There are so many social medias nowadays that people use every single day. Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, probably YouTube is becoming a social media. Okay, then you can provide, if you're an agency or a freelancer, you can promote products by providing services. When you're providing a service, for example, to build a website, you're giving your link to your client so that they sign up through your link, and then you're making your affiliate commission. And then you can create a YouTube channel where you, for example, you do reviews of different online softwares, and you're just putting your links there, and because you're going in your audience and you're adding your value to it, because you're spending time to analyze all these softwares, and you're bringing this review to your audience, then they're just gonna choose it and you're gonna get paid. Now podcasts, it's really popular right now. It's trending. People switch from radio to podcasts, so you can do that if you like speaking. Informational products, for example, you made an ebook or a checklist or a cheat sheet or something like this that you promote online, and then you put your links there, and because you added value to it, people are gonna click through it. So it's ethical to promote like this. And then courses, video courses or text type courses. Now what's gonna happen if you're gonna do affiliate marketing the right way? People will come on their own asking for your links because you added value. And even though people will know it's an affiliate link, and you should make sure that they know it, and they will still go through that link because it makes sense. You're adding more, instead of them going through a link, the corporate, like they just go to that website, for example, bluehost.com. They can go straight to it, or they can click your link and they get something additional, like your consultation. Then they come and they get the first recommendation that I gave them, and then after a while they liked it and they come again for another recommendation. So it's long-term thinking and building an audience that likes you and likes your recommendations. Then they recommend you to other people, and they're actually happy that they went through your affiliate links. Now that's totally different than what other people are doing, who are spamming and using unethical ways. And now if you're interested in affiliate marketing, you should check out my offer here, offer list. It's free. You can go on this link and just check all the offers that I promote that I think are worth your time. So just thank you for watching this video today. If you're into affiliate marketing, just let me know below, and if you like this content, leave it a like, and see you in tomorrow's video.